Good afternoon and welcome to another new session with David and Claire's Moto Adventures. Today's main attraction is the closure of M&P's in Cardiff, where everybody classes it as a, oh my god, it's a disaster. But everybody seems to forget there's a silver lining at the end of this one, because M&P will be closing its operations in Cardiff, but it is relocating to a new mega superstore apparently in Swansea. So watch this space and see the location of the new mega superstore. But all facilities will be moved from Cardiff to Swansea in the meantime, whilst they're opening this new superstore, they call it. So good luck to M&P's on their new superstore, and let's see what it looks like in the final outtake. But like I say, it's not all doom and gloom today when everybody's saying that another dealership is closing. But it looks like they're just restructuring and re-streamlining to make a better future for themselves. So look forward to seeing the new superstore opening in Swansea soon. So all the best to M&P's. Catch you later on the news, and if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Bye.